Hello students, in the last lecture we have studied about the Werner's theory and some points about the finding the primary valence of metal ion present in coordination compound, secondary valence of metal ion present in coordination compound. Also, we have studied what is coordination number and some type of complexes on the basis of nature of ligand. If two ligands or more ligands attach or all ligands attach to the central metal atom or ion are same, then such type of complexes are called as homoleptic complexes. If ligands attached to central metal atom or ion are different, then they are called as the heteroleptic complexes. And on the basis of the number of ligands attached to and what type of the charge is carried by that coordination complex, that on that basis also we have studied cationic complexes, anionic complexes and neutral pair complexes we have studied. Today we are to study an important point about the coordination compound. It is IUPAC nomenclature of coordination complexes or IUPAC nomenclature of the coordination compounds have written, that we have to study. So, rules for naming coordination compounds, recommended by the IUPAC. So, first of all, in naming complex or ion, neutral molecule, name the ligand. First of all, see first one rule. In naming the complex ion or neutral complex or neutral molecule, first of all, naming the ligands and then name of metal or metal ion is indicated. Name of metal or metal ion is indicated in the last. So while writing the name of coordination complex, first we have to write the name of ligand. After writing the name of ligand, we have to write the name of metal or metal ion. Now, while writing the name of ligands, the name of anionic ligands, second rule, name of anionic ligands, negatively charged ligands, name of ionic or anionic or negatively charged ligand. If the name of that negatively charged ligand ends with IDE, then it is ended with O. And if it is ends with what, that is the ATE, then what, that is the it is ends with ATO. That I am telling to you. For example, chloride, bromide, iodide, fluoride. So IDE is replaced by O, that is chloro, fluoro, bromo, iodo, oxide, oxo, like this, hydroxide, hydroxo. In this way we have to write the name of anionic ligands. and if ATE, then it get converted into ATO. For example, oxalate C2O4 2 minus. Its name is oxalate. So this changes to oxalato. It changes to oxalato. ATE, this is ATE, changes to ATO. It changes to ATO. That is nothing but the second one rule to write the IUPAC nomenclature or names of coordination compound or the complexes. See the next one rule to write the IUPAC name of this complex. Name of complex is written. Name of complex is written in a single word. Single word मध्ये त्या कॉम्प्लेक्सचं नाव आपल्याला लिहायचे. It is written in a single word. Is one single word. That is one single word. Means there is no any space between the name of ligand or between the name of ligand and the metal. There is no space given between the names of ligand as well as between the names of ligands and the metal atom or ion. Space is not given, or there should be no space. Next one rule to write to indicate the names of this. After the name of metal, write its oxidation number. After the name of metal, write its oxidation number. In Roman figure. That is, if oxidation number is 1, then Roman 1 is written in bracket. If oxidation number is 2, Roman 2 is written in bracket. If oxidation number is 3, Roman 3 is written in bracket after the name of metal. If oxidation number is 4, then Roman 4 is written in the bracket after the name of metal or metal ion. That is also important rule to write the name of the complex or coordination compound. Then see the next one rule to write the name of this compound, that is, if complex has more than one same types of ligands are present in that complex. यानी कि अगर कॉम्प्लेक्स में एक से ज्यादा सिमिलर टाइप के लिगेंड है, एक सरीके सब लिगेंड है, 2, 3, 4, टू राइट बिफोर द name of ligand, you have to write the prefixes. Like di, tri, tetra, penta, hexa, for similar 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ligand respectively. यानी कि अगर एक ही कॉम्प्लेक्स में सेम टाइप के 2, 3, 4, 5 और 6 लिगैंड है, तो उसके नाम के पहले, लिगैंड के नाम के पहले वी हैव टू यूज दिस प्रीफिक्सेस. ये प्रीफिक्सेस हमें यूज करना है. अगर 2 सेम है तो डाई प्रीफिक्स यूज बिफोर द नेम ऑफ लिगैंड. अगर 3 सेम है तो ट्राई प्रीफिक्स इज यूज बिफोर द लिगैंड. अगर 3 सेम लिगैंड है, ट्राई प्रीफिक्स. 4 सेम लिगैंड टेट्रा, 5 सेम लिगैंड पेंटा, एंड अगर 6 सेम लिगैंड है तो हेक्सा प्रीफिक्स इज यूज बिफोर द नेम ऑफ दैट लिगैंड. So that is also an important rule used while writing the name of what that is the coordination complex or coordination compound. For the complex having more than one type of ligand, for the complex having more than one type of ligand, then their names are written according to alphabetical order. यानी क्या, एक ही कॉम्प्लेक्स में अगर 2 और 2 से ज्यादा डिफरेंट लिगैंड है, लिगैंड्स आर नॉट सेम, यानी कि हेट्रोलेप्टिक कॉम्प्लेक्स है वो उस हेट्रोलेप्टिक कॉम्प्लेक्स में लिगैंड का नाम लिखते समय हमें जिस लिगैंड का नाम अल्फाबेटिकली फर्स्ट आता है, यानी कि ABCD से अगर हम शुरू करें तो जिसका लेटर पहले आता है उसका नाम पहले लिखना चाहिए और उसके बाद दूसरे का नाम लिखने का है. ओके, मीन्स फॉर द कॉम्प्लेक्स हैविंग मोर देन वन टाइप ऑफ लिगैंड, यानी कि डिफरेंट लिगैंड्स आर प्रेजेंट इन दैट कॉम्प्लेक्स. सो एट दैट टाइम यू हैव टू राइट द नेम्स ऑफ लिगैंड अकॉर्डिंग टू अल्फाबेटिकल ऑर्डर. अल्फाबेटिकल ऑर्डर से जिसका नाम पहले आता है उसका नाम पहले लिखना चाहिए और दूसरों का नाम बाद में आना चाहिए. अल्फाबेटिकल ऑर्डर दे आर रिटन. देन हियर फॉर एग्जांपल हियर यू सी इफ यू टेक टेट्रा एक्ओ, okay, the name of ligand is tetra एक्ओ and dichloro. Point to be noted that alphabetical order is used actual name of ligand, not for the prefix. Aquo, water, then chloride. So it is not used for tetra and it is not used for di. अब हम इसमें अगर अल्फाबेटिकल ऑर्डर यूज करेंगे तो A comes first and C comes later, तो इसमें एक्ओ, टेट्रा एक्ओ का नाम पहले लिखना चाहिए और बाद में डाइक्लोरो का नाम आए. ओके, सो इफ इन ए कॉम्प्लेक्स हैविंग मोर देन वन लिगैंड, वन टाइप ऑफ लिगैंड, देयर नेम्स आर रिटन अकॉर्डिंग टू alphabetical order. Their names are written according to alphabetical order. Then next one point here we have to write there, that is nothing but the next one rule. If in case of polydentate ligands, in case of polydentate ligands which are also called as chelate ligands, इनको chelate ligands भी कहा जाता है. Chelate ligand having 2 or more than 2 donor sites. Chelate, crab's claw, therefore it is called as the chelate ligand. So for 2 similar chelate ligand bis prefix is used. For 3 similar chelate ligand tris prefix is used. For 4 similar chelate ligand tetrakis prefix is used. यानी कि अगर चिलेट लिगैंड है, पॉलीडेंटेट लिगैंड है, 2 और 2 से ज्यादा अगर पॉलीडेंटेट लिगैंड सेम कॉम्प्लेक्स में अगर आते हैं तो उसका नाम लिखते समय not use these prefixes. The prefixes are before the name of ligand. 2 similar bis, then for 3 similar tris, and for 4 similar tetrakis. That is nothing but the use of what that is the prefixes to write the names of what that is the chelate ligand or the polydentate ligand. in case of cationic or neutral complexes, the name of metal specified as its own, यानी कि अगर कॉम्प्लेक्स कैटायनिक है और न्यूट्रल कॉम्प्लेक्स है तो मेटल का नाम लिखते समय we have to write the name of metal as it is. For example, iron, copper, zinc, nickel, gold or silver. As it is, its name is written, and after that you have to write oxidation number of that metal or metal ion in bracket in Roman figure. But in case of anionic complexes, the anionic complexes, the name of metal, what that is, the ends with ATE, यानी क्या, एनायनिक कॉम्प्लेक्स अगर है तो मेटल का नाम ATE से एंड होना चाहिए. That is nothing but here see. If zinc is there, then its name is written as zincate. ATE अटैच करना है. Then if copper is there, copper metal is there, its name is written as cuprate. If nickel is there, nickelate. If ferrous is there, ferrate. If gold is there, aurum, aurate. If silver is there, argentine, argentate. So plumbum, plumbate. So if the metal anionic complex is there, in case of anionic complex, while writing the name of metal, it ends with ATE. And these are nothing but the various rules to write the IUPAC nomenclature or IUPAC names of the complexes. You see, first naming ligands and then name of metal ion is written or metal is written. Name of anionic ligands are written. If anionic ligand name ends with IDE, then it is replaced by O. Chloride, chloro, bromide, bromo, iodide, iodo, fluoride, fluoro. If name of ligand, anionic ligand ends with ATE, then it changes to ATO. That is the oxalate, oxalato. That is oxalate, oxalato. Name of complex is written in one single word. There is no any space given between the name of ligand or between the name of metal and ligand. No space is given. Write the name in single word. After the name of metal, between its oxidation number, metal, write its oxidation number in Roman figure, Roman number. मेटल के नाम के बाद वो मेटल की ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर हमें या वहाँ इंट्रोड्यूस करनी है, इंडिकेट करनी है. तो वो इंडिकेट करते समय आपको ये ध्यान में रखना चाहिए कि वी हैव टू इंडिकेट ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर इन रोमन फिगर in bracket after the name of metal. Okay, so if oxidation number of metal is +1, Roman 1 is written in bracket, +2 Roman 2 is written in bracket, +3 Roman 3 is written in bracket, +4 Roman 4 is written in the bracket after the name of metal. Then if complex has more than one same type of ligand, अगर उस complex में एक से ज्यादा similar type के ligand है तो उनका नाम लिखते समय before the name of ligand, for 2 same ligand use di prefix, for 3 same ligand use tri prefix, for 4 same ligand use tetra prefix, for 5 same ligand use penta prefix, and for 6 same ligand use the hexa prefix. Okay, for the complex having more than one type of ligand, अगर उस complex में coordination compound में एक से ज्यादा डिफरेंट लिगैंड है, 2 डिफरेंट लिगैंड, 3 डिफरेंट लिगैंड, तो उनका नाम लिखते समय हमें अल्फाबेटिकल ऑर्डर से उनका नाम लिखना है. यानी कि जिनका अल्फाबेटिकल ऑर्डर से नाम पहले आता है उनका नाम पहले लिखना चाहिए और बाद में दूसरों का नाम आएगा. ओके. एंड इन केस ऑफ पॉलीडेंटेड लिगैंड दे आर आल्सो कॉल्ड एज चिलेट लिगैंड. पॉलीडेंटेड लिगैंड के ये प्रीफिक्स नहीं यूज करना है. पॉलीडेंटेड के लिगैंड के लिए नॉट यूज दिस प्रीफिक्स. दिस इज फॉर मोनोडेंटेड लिगैंड. पॉलीडेंटेड लिगैंड के लिए हमें टू सिमिलर पॉलीडेंटेड लिगैंड bis prefix is used before their name. For three similar chelate ligand or polydentate ligand, tris prefix is used, and for four similar chelate ligand, tetrakis prefix is used. Okay. In case of cationic or neutral complex, नाम लिखते समय हमें वो चूज करना है और डिसाइड करना है कि वेदर द गिवन कॉम्प्लेक्स इज कैटायनिक कॉम्प्लेक्स, न्यूट्रल कॉम्प्लेक्स और एनायनिक कॉम्प्लेक्स. अगर वो कैटायनिक और न्यूट्रल कॉम्प्लेक्स है तो उनका नाम लिखते समय मेटल का नाम एज इट्स ओन मेटल का नाम आएगा. आयरन, सिल्वर, जिंक, निकेल, गोल्ड, कोबाल्ट, लीड. एज इट इज यू हैव टू राइट द नेम व्हेन इट इज कैटायनिक और न्यूट्रल कॉम्प्लेक्स. अगर वो कॉम्प्लेक्स एनायनिक कॉम्प्लेक्स है, मगर वो कॉम्प्लेक्स अगर एनायनिक कॉम्प्लेक्स है तो मेटल का नाम लिखते समय उसका एंडिंग ATE से होता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल जिंक जिंकेट, कॉपर क्यूप्रेट, सिल्वर अर्जेंटेट, गोल्ड आउरेट, आयरन फेरेट, निकेल निकेलेट, प्लम्बम प्लम्बेट. So like this in case of anionic complex is done. Now we have to study some anionic ligands and their names. Anionic ligands, negatively charged ligands and their names. Okay. Here C, Cl minus ion, chloride. So IDE is replaced by O. It is chloro. Fluoride, fluoro. Bromide, bromo. Iodide, iodo. Then hydroxide, hydroxo. Then cyanide, cyano. As well as what that is the here NO2 minus, nitrite, nitro. But if in case of NO2 it is ambidentate ligand, it can attach to that central metal atom or ion from nitrogen side as well as from the oxygen side, and therefore here it is nitrate, nitrito. If it is attached from oxygen side, then it is written as what that is the nitrito. Then what that is the next one, C2O4 2 minus, oxalate. What that is the oxalato. So that is nothing but the anionic complexes. And in case of anionic complexes, see another one, SCN, thiocyanide. So thiocyanide. Then NCS, thiocyanato किंवा cyanato, or it is also ATO, isothiocyanate. So it ends with the ATO. Then another some ligands like the carbonate, carbanato. Here it is CO3 minus 2, carbanato. Then sulfate, SO4 2 minus, sulfate, sulfanato. So in this way their names are written. Or in case of neutral ligands, In case of neutral ligands, see, this is that is the CH2 and here NH2. Some abbreviations are used, that is the EN, ethylene diamine. Then here see NH3, amine. So see the spelling, that is AMMINE, that is nothing but the amine. Then for carbon monoxide, CO, here it is carbonyl, and neutral ligand like the H2O, that is the HO. So these are nothing but the various ligands, and how to write their names. So don't forget chloride, fluoro, bromide, bromo, iodide, iodo, hydroxide, hydroxo, cyanide, cyano, nitrite, nitro. Then here it is isonitrate or nitrito from oxygen side, C2O4 minus oxalato, thiocyanate, isothiocyanate, then it is isothiocyanato, carbonato, sulfate, sulfato, then neutral ligands like the ethylene diamine, EN, then what, that is the ammonia, amine, then carbon monoxide, carbonyl, and water, what, that is the HO. That is nothing but the names of the anionic ligands and neutral ligands are written while writing the name of the complexes. Okay. Now we have to study what that is the name of what that is the complexes. Some examples of complexes and their IUPAC nomenclature or IUPAC names here we have to study. Some names and their structures are the formulas of some complexes and their IUPAC names here we have to study. Here see, complex and IUPAC name. So here see, first one complex, NiCN/4 2 minus. Second, AgCN/2 minus charge on it. Then another some example, that is C2O4 by 3, here 3 minus, FeCN/6 4 minus, FeCN/6 here 4 minus. Now see some another examples of the complexes, that is complexes anion and metal cation, that is Na2. This is the species present in anionic complex. So in the anionic sphere, ionization sphere, then here CONO3 means nitrate group. It is which group? That is the nitrate group. And here nitrite group NO2/6. Then here next one K4FeCN/6, K4FeCN/6, as well as we have to take here what that is the another one example, Na2AlF6, sorry, it is Na3AlF6. Next one example here we have to take, that is nothing but the FeH2O5 NCS, FeH2O by 5 NCS, and the charge present on this complex is what, that is the 2 plus. So many type of ligands are there. CO NH3 by 4 Cl2, here Cl, or we can take NiCO by 4. Next one example here, we have to take what, that is the CO NO2 by 3 NH3 by 3, NO2 by 3 NH3 by 3. This is the coordination compound. And last one example here we have to take K3Al, or another one example here we have to take, that is the CO H2O NH3 by 5 CO NH3 by 5 H2O, and here what, that is the I3. So these are the different examples I have taken, and we have to write the IUPAC names or IUPAC name nomenclature of this compound. Now see first one. So first of all we have to write the name of ligand. How many similar ligands are there? 4. So 4 similar ligand means tetra prefix we have to use here. Tetra. Cyanide, cyano. What is the name of that metal? Nickel, but it is anionic complex. So nickelate, anionic complex मध्ये AT ने ending करायचे, nickelate, and oxidation number of this nickel is what, that is the 2. In bracket it is written that we have studied oxidation number of metal is written in bracket, and as there is ion, therefore lastly ending it with ion. If it is cation or anion, then it ends with the ion. So its name is tetracyanonickelate 2 ion. Tetracyanonickelate 2 ion. That is nothing but the name. Now here see what, that is the dicyano, argentate, oxidation number is 1, and it is lastly ending with ion. Now 3 oxalato groups are there, oxalato. So here trioxalato, cobalt, anionic complex, cobaltate, and oxidation number of cobalt here 3 to the 6 plus 6 minus 3. It is written in Roman 3 and ends with ion. So this trioxalato cobaltate 3 ion is IUPAC name of this structure. Then here what, that is the hexa. 6 similar ligands are there. Hexacyano, ferrate, iron, ferrate. What, that is the oxidation number is 2 ion. Hexacyanoferrate 2 ion is IUPAC name of that structure. Then this is what, that is the, if in ionization pair metals are present, their names written first, and if anions are present, then they returns the last. Therefore name of this compound is what, that is the first of all sodium. Name of sodium. Then after that ligand hexanitro, cobaltate inner, because here Na plus म्हणजे याच्यावर कोणता चार्ज येणार, माइनस, इसके ऊपर माइनस चार्ज आएगा, एनायनिक कॉम्प्लेक्स. Cobaltate, what, that is the 4. It is cobaltate 4. cobaltate 4. Then see here, next one, that is the potassium. Potassium is present in ionization sphere. Potassium, hexacyano. Then what, that is the ferrate. I think it is 2. Ferrate 2. Sorry. Yes, ferrate 2. Because here 4 minus charge will be there and 2 is the oxidation number. That is nothing but the name of this complex. Then it is sodium. Hexafluoro. Aluminate. Unit oxidation number is +3. So it is what, that is the aluminate 3. Then here see, Fe, H2O by 5 NaCl. These are two different ligands. So their names are written according to alphabetical order. So here see what, that is the 5 means penta, ACO and isothiocyanate. Therefore it is penta-ACO, isothiocyanate. Here it is what, that is the iron. Here 2 is nothing but the name of this complex. Sorry, it has -1 charge, it will be +3. So it is 3. Then it is 2 different ligands are there. These are 2 different ligands, amine and chloro. So which comes first? Amine. Therefore it is what, that is the tetraamine. Dichloro. Cobalt. Oxidation number of cobalt is 3. Chloride. 3 chloride is IUPAC. Then here tetracarbonyl. Nickel. Oxidation number of nickel is 0. Next one, CONO2 by 3 and NH3 by 3. Amine, nitro. Therefore here triamine. Then trinitro. Cobalt 3. 3 is the oxidation number because that NO2 group have 3 minus charge. And last one, what, that is the amine and ACO. Therefore it will be what, that is the name of this compound. Name of this is what, that is the 5 amine groups are there. So it is pentaamine, ACO, cobalt, oxidation number is 3 and iodide ions are present in the ionization sphere. That is nothing but the nomenclature of coordination compound or complexes according to IUPAC system. So you don't forget, while writing the name you have to write the name of metal present in ionization sphere before the square bracket. स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट के पहले अगर मेटल है तो उनका नाम पहले आएगा, कितने भी हो एक ही नाम, मेटल का नाम आएगा पहले, उसके बाद लिगैंड का नेम, उसके बाद मेटल आयन का नाम, उसके बाद ब्रैकेट में ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर, and lastly you have to indicate if any ions present in the ionization pair after the bracket, after the square bracket. So these are the few examples and their IUPAC names. Okay.